Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 12, 2024. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart, as you can see, and I'm using the Japanese candlesticks as usual. So what is obvious on this chart is that we have the new all-time high on the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is still in the uptrend. Recently we hit the level of 72,619 tethers. So this is the new all-time high on the Bitcoin to Tether. Now let's just place some kind of indicators, and I'm going to start with the RSI, and the RSI is showing us that the momentum is still strong, it's still positive, but it's still located at the extremely overbought conditions. I'm saying still because it's not the first time we are looking at this chart and we see this overbought territory, extremely overbought territory. First time we saw it around the level of 50,000 tethers, and now it's 71,000 tethers plus, and it's still extremely overbought. So as I said, this market can stay way overbought for extended period of times, and the uptrend might continue even despite this fact. So we got the situation on the Bitcoin very clear from the technical point of view. There are some kind of a local supports, local support levels, because the resistance is rather not applicable for the new all-time highs. So let me just find out for you a few levels that you can consider as the technical support. The first thing is that the level of 59,258, a little bit a longer perspective, maybe the level that you never ever mention in your analysis because it's too far away from the current level. 63,490, that's another one you might act as the technical support. And then we have this interesting level which is located roughly around 68,588. So three nice levels here on the Bitcoin. And there is something else which is quite interesting. As you can see here, if you apply this trend line here, you can see that in the short term we got some kind of a trend line support. Let me just move quickly a little bit closer to the newest data. So if we even zoom in more, then you can see that the market is moving up, and it's bouncing from time to time. It's bouncing from this trend line. So local short-term trend line provides the technical support. Where is the next target? That's the that's the level that everyone is now talking about. 75,000 tethers is the next level to keep an eye on, because this is the level where the psychology will kicks in, basically, right? So 75,000 tethers is the level that we should pay attention to. We make it black and maybe a little bit dark, and dashed line here is the target. We keep bouncing from the trend line, keep moving higher. Of course, we are far away from the moving averages. We are far away from the 100, the 200 period moving averages. So there is no point to apply this kind of indicators on the chart. There is still uptrend in progress. The uptrend is intact, and the market participants are still massively bullish. The fear to greed index, or fear to greed ratio, is now way on the zone of the extreme greed. Like 90% of the market participants are greedy, so which means that basically they are pushing the prices higher and higher. Next target, 75,000 tethers. As long as we trade above this short-term trend line from the technical point of view, the Bitcoin, the BTC to USDT, Bitcoin to Tether should do at least one more swing high towards 75,000 tethers. So the uptrend is intact. There is no indication of the uptrend termination or completion yet. So to the moon, basically, as they say on the crypto space. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.